During the colonial period, there were several European powers competing for territory in North America, the main ones being Spain, Britain, and France. In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the French in Quebec and try to answer the question, what were the French doing settling up here in Quebec, which is part of Canada today? So the Spanish had already settled down here in South America, Central America, and parts of North America. The French were claiming areas along the Gulf Coast where New Orleans is, but they were also laying claim to anything along the Mississippi River Valley area and any of its tributaries, while England was settling the Atlantic coast right along here. All right, so what were the French doing up in Quebec? They actually were sending some explorers to find the Northwest Passage. So they traveled along the St. Lawrence River and started looking along here in the Great Lakes area. And when they discovered that they couldn't find any outlet to the Great Lakes that would basically create a Northwest Passage through North America to get to the Pacific so they could trade with Asia, they had discovered during their explorations that they could get a lot of money from trading fur with the Indians. So they established a colony called New France up along the St. Lawrence River and started trading with the Indians, mainly as fur trappers. Some of the furs that they were trading were beaver pelt, which was very valuable because of its water resistance, as well as otter and mink and some muskrat. So primarily the French up in New France or in the Quebec area were trading furs with the American Indians and then also using some of the other natural resources to create colonies and enrich France the same way England was using their colonies to enrich England.